let's go ahead and finish off round number 3 right here. Big round of balls to get up one time for Sienna on the main stage. I will take her down. We got Ariel taking over main. She's got a 3-song set for you guys. Thanks for coming in here on our Monday afternoon. Happy Monday to you all. Don't forget our VIP groups are going to be open for you. So if you'd like to do some one-on-ones, guys, you can talk to your entertainers down there on the floor. Our skybox is under your upstairs. We're ready to rock and roll for you. This is first the 3 class side with Ariel.